Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to use Exitlag. You might be wondering how do you actually start using the Exitlag that we have. So this is a great way for you to fix some connectivity issue because sometimes either if you have a proper internet connection or you have a fast internet connection, but if you're having like a packet loss, it means that your connection might not be optimized. So meaning using the Exitlag here, you could actually help you optimize your connection and choosing the appropriate ORS to actually connect the nearest server so that you will be able to use or get the most out of your games now. So now the first thing that we'll need to do is we have to download the Exitlag application. So in order to download the application, all you have to do is to open any web browser. Okay, so let's try opening a web browser and then type out Exitlag. And then you'll be able to see this website right here. So you just have to click on it and you will be redirected to this page. Now, all you have to do is you'll be able to see here the connection perfect details, the servers, the games and apps, as well as the countries. So after reading everything that you need in this section, you will then just have to click on the download button at the top. So this one right here, click on the download. And then after that, you'll be able to see here the download for Windows button. So below you can see the Windows 7 or superior. It means that you can have this application as long as you're using Windows 7 and above. Okay, so after that you will then just have to click on the download exit lag button. And at the top right of your screen, you can see the three dots right here. You'll be able to see the download. So just click on it. After opening the file, you can now install the application. Okay, so now that you're done installing the application, we can now proceed to our next step. So when we open the exit log, now that you have done creating your account, you'll be able to see this section right here. But before that, sometimes if you don't have the proper DNS for PC, sometimes that might be the cause for your lag. So to fix that, you need to go to your search bar at the bottom and then you will have to search for control panel. Okay, so let's go to the search bar and then look for the control panel. So you will then just have to click on enter or click on it. Now go to the network and internet settings. So this one right here at the left side, and then click on the network and sharing center. Okay, now click on the connections. And after that, you'll be able to see the settings for your connections. So just click on this one right here and then click on properties. Okay, that's right. Now look for the IPv4. So this one and then click on properties. Okay. Now here, make sure that you choose to use the following DNS server addresses. So for your server addresses for the preferred DNS server, you have to type out 8888. And for the alternate DNS server, you have to type out 8844. Okay, and then after that, you will then just have to click on OK. Okay, so make sure that you type out the right numbers and then click on OK. Now all you have to do is to close this settings, I mean the control panel, and let's go back to our exit log. Now that we opened our exit log, we'd be able to see here the UI. Now in this case, you first have to set up your account. So you have to go to the account section right here. And from here, make sure that you actually start creating your account. So creating your account is actually pretty easy. So let's go back to our web browser and then at the top you can see the my account option. So just click on it and then click on register. Okay, and here you'd be able to start using the exit log. Just sign up and enjoy. It has a 3 free trial days, of course, so no credit card required. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to type out your first name, your after that you have to type out your last name, and then you have to type out your email as well. Make sure that you use the active email address, and you have to create an access password. Then you will have to generate the password and confirm your password. After that, you just have to click on this box right here that you have read and agreed to the terms of services and privacy policy. Right after that, you will then just have to click on the create my account, and your account for Exitlag will be created. So before signing up, make sure that you read all of the terms and conditions and privacy policy to protect yourself and know what is allowed and not allowed within the platform or application. So before we can actually use the exit log, there are things that we need to do. The first thing is we have to verify our email. So go ahead and then check your email. And here you can see the message from exit log. And right here, in order to verify your email, all you have to do is to click on the confirm my email. So this one right here. So just click on it and you'd be redirected to this page where you can see that your email address has been verified. So now just click on the continue to my account, and after that, if you go back to your email, you can see a message where the exit log give you the proper instructions for you to start using the application. So let's open the other message. So this one right here. So first, you have to set up the best routes for your gameplay, and then follow this simple steps to use the exit log properly. So first one is you have to launch the exit log and sign in. Next is to select the game you want to play, and then select the region or click the apply routes. And then you have to open your game with your connection optimized, and you're good to go. So make sure you follow all of these simple steps for you to have the proper guide for the exit lag. Now let's try to search for the game right here. So just open your exit lag and let's go ahead and try the Valorant. So I'll be clicking on this one right here. So you just have to search and then click on the game that you want to play. You can see that it's analyzing the routes, and right here you can change the game region. So you just have to click on this arrow right here and then choose your region. So I'll be choosing Asia. Okay, and you have also the options to use the route within my country best, and then you can also click on the other one. And we also have here the advanced routes, so you can also adjust this one right here and then click on apply. So after finalizing everything, you can then now click on the optimize, and as you can see, it is analyzing the routes. So just have to wait for a few minutes until the analyzation is complete. So you can see here North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. Okay, so you just have to wait for a few more seconds. And right here, you'd be able to see the apply routes option. So all you have to do is you have to click on that option. So take note that we can still do this because we have a 3 days free trial for this application. But the thing here is the exit log is not actually free, but you could basically get a free month on your subscription if you want to try their services. So typically, if you go to exit log here, we should be able to see the pricing. So just click on the pricing option at the top. So this one right here, and you'd be able to see the different subscription plan that you can have. So you have the monthly, the annual, and the quarterly. So for me, maybe you could try to subscribe for the monthly first, and if you want to continue with the service that they provide, you can go ahead and try the annual because you can really get a 42% off for this subscription. And if you want a quarterly, then you can have a 15% off right here. So after that, you will then just have to click on the select if you're planning to subscribe for their services, and you have to proceed with your payment method, and of course you have to confirm your information. So yeah, using exit lag here is pretty easy, but sometimes just adjusting some settings on your computer, like for example restarting your router, changing your DNS server, or just basically restarting your PC, sometimes actually helps with the lag that you're receiving on your games. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.